Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today I'm going to be trying to get you guys hopefully some good clips of the external wastegate noises on this car. I absolutely love the way the thing sounds, and I'm really hoping where I'm going to put my camera that I can actually pick it up pretty well. Yeah, it's one of the things that when I first test drove the car, it just grabbed my attention, and I absolutely love it. But just fired the car up, gonna let it warm up a little bit before I get on it at all. If you didn't know already, I post 3 times a week. Tuesday is typically a car vlog. Wednesday is my podcast, Driven Living, that I do with my fiance. And Friday is a random car-related video. So, to be sure you don't miss out on any of that, hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little drive. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, if you enjoyed it, or if you'd like to see more, or what else you'd like to see of this car. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.